By the time Pop done cut melon everything, your mouth everything blood clear. Watch him. Fine. I know him, man. Man, know the man. People don't eat that, them, you know. Come, people, strip life.
Clean, uncle.
No.
Tired of this, man?
Me a deal with them no fuck man, I love man, and dead.
Okay, you're clean. Come, take one picture. Take one picture now.
They told you to pin a fling for me.
Who a fling for you?
Come on, one got a fling to them. No, me not fling to them, I got to lick out nobody and me go through with them. Since when me dip on the dock, me dip on the way. You see what I mean? Me want to buy stove. Just stove lock up in a film business. Me no thief and rob. And lock up in them now wait and cooking on my place.
You celebrity, you know?
Me no depend with them, man. No depend with them.
So,
no,
what you don't want a girl?
No, girl, so set up who set up.
If you get a girl, man, get a broke.
No, me not broke. I just saw me come down do it.
Get a girl, man.
If I come from them, boy, I don't know anyone. No man, me run left him, man.
30 years now, you have a girl, brother. Get a girl, man.
Tell Pukai say me no want to see mother blood clot right now. And that's the way you come around, son.
Whenever
Yes, I like me now.
I land them, I look painful.
Blood clot, girl.
Hey boy, I land them, they take up to you. Police, I look for you. Police, I look for boy, you know. Police, I look for boy.
Yo, brother, you really have them? And call up on my phone a blood clot if you can't tell me what is will. You're dunce. I came right. Hold on, dunce. What is will? What is will? When somebody work cannot pay your boss, man, way up. That means saying will. And you will because you don't know why it is. They have to over almost nearly 10 times and you can't tell me, say, Prince. And that is.
When I ask why water red, me throw syrup in there. Me cut up million in it. Me throw one cocos bag of sugar. And today I'm a big birthday. So only never over here. See cocos bag of sugar there. When me throw in the pool. Melon. Me test the water. Me throw this here in there. Brother, me throw roll heap of juice in there. Me throw sugar in there. And what is that? What is that? Yeah, 6K people. 6K people. Come, drink. Yeah, man, we make you over your face today. Come. I make your face today, man. Come. I say big and grateful, man. I say your bumbuck, me kill me, killer.
Yeah, say pig vex.
Man, brother.
Man, no want you touch me now.
Pussy clap, brother.
See, they don't song.
Hold on, man. Boy, block
No,
I
say to Johnny.
Hold on.
I send you Johnny.
Oh, yo.
I send you Johnny.
Bumboclaat, sick man. Hold him 6. Pussy.
Beat you.
Let me know what?
I think you beat you.
What?
I think you beat you. Watch it.
Come on.
Watch it.
Hey, chick.
My dear, like sang to be. When you say one shit. You remember idea? When you say one shit.
No. Make him calm.
Remember idea, sang to be.
Father. Yo,
a 6 you know.
no,
No, 6.
Blessing.
It's real.
Blessing. Bring me one.
Bill and none?
Brother, listen.
Bill. Relax, man. Yo, tell him, man.
Talk to you here.
You fuck up.
You fuck up.
Talk to you here.
You fuck up.
Bumbo, come out that road.
You
When
fuck
you
up.
talk to you here.
You
Come
fuck
out that
up.
road. Watch you know. You see the young song could be.
No boy, cap man. You want kill pussy. You want kill pussy.
We don't want no friend from your pussy.
One friend, no, go suck to the mama, man.
We don't want none from you.
You don't want blood clot night, you want blood clot there.
We don't want no friend from your pussy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Pussy, a little call me where I give you, batty boy. Call me where I call me the pussy, because you love free rum. You can't cut no man pussy.
And Joe, I you me come out and I'm not even say mister, for you not deserve it. You see the JDF and the JCF, they owe me apology. You see that house here? I'm 45 years me just to make up this. And then come here 13 of December, 24, come mash up my house. Ah, no, nobody no fix it back yet. So the JDF and the JCF owe me an apology. I'm ready for them now. Government, we treat the people them right. Treat them right and let them live a good life. Everybody say yeah, yeah, yeah. Government, we treat the people them right. Make the youth them go to school free and get bright. Sing yeah, yeah, yeah. A people make me know say them take with the food. Them know our picnic we go a good school. Them sit down pan chair and want give with stool. And the simplest thing them a tell with we cool. Government we treat the people them right. Treat them right and let them live a good life. Everybody say yeah, yeah, yeah. Government we treat the people them right. Make the youth them go to school free and get bright. Sing yeah, yeah, yeah. Every day cost of living gone up. Every day light bill gone up. They never tell we about Zika virus. They never mention N1H1. They never tell we about chikungunya. That's why enough of them we not trust them round here. Government we treat the people them right. Treat them right and let them live a good life. Sing yeah, yeah, yeah. Government we treat the people them right. Make youth and youth go to school free and get bright. Sing yeah, yeah, yeah.
So short man, we are going this a whole tree here.
You cook some food, man. I country with there, no man. Show people what me I do, yeah. Show people what me I do.
One whole tree here, you can't go cook.
Yeah, man. Me I cook some food, bro. You do the people what me I do, yeah. Me I make yam and me I cook some food, you know. Me I take a look break and cook some food.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
All right, sir.
All right. Oh.
Yes.